Okay. So what do we know about this problem?
No one knows how to do it.
Okay. You should. Why should you know how to do this?
Because we have an example in our notes.
You have an almost exact example in your notes.
I just didn't understand.
So what do you know about this problem?
Combine the side terms to get the new triangle.
Why?
Because it's two triangles.
What do we know about the two triangles? That they are. How do we know the two triangles are similar? How do we know they're the same shape?
Same base.
Oh,
They're parallel.
it says BD is parallel to CE. Whenever you have the two bases parallel and the small triangle is encompassed in the big triangle like this, you know that these are two similar triangles. So, anytime we have two similar triangles, what do you have to set up to solve for side lengths? A proportion. Good. Before we can set up our proportion, what do we have to figure out? Which sides are similar, right? We have to figure out which sides are similar. So, what is this side AB, this X, similar to? And where do you get that from? Wait, no, not X plus 3. No.
X plus 1.
X plus X plus
Is X plus 1 the entire side on the big triangle?
Yes. No. They combine.
Ah, I need to figure out what the entire side on the big triangle is. How do I do that?
Combine X plus X times X plus 1.
Just add them together.
Oh, you had
X plus 1 will give us the length of the entire side, right? So what is X plus 1?
2X plus 1.
So X is similar to 2X plus 1. Then over here, what is X plus 3 similar to?
X plus 2.
Right. We have to find the entire side of the big triangle. X plus 3 plus X plus 2 gives us 2X plus 5. So X plus 3 is similar to 2X plus 5. Any questions on how we found that? Okay, so now we can set up our proportion. What was X similar to? 2X plus 1. And then what should my other ratio look like?
X plus 3
Good.
over 2X plus 5.
Yes, X plus 3, which is similar to 2X plus 5. Everyone in here should have known how to get up to this part. This part should have been easy. Okay. So now how do we solve this proportion? Ah, that did not work out. We cross multiply. So I multiply X times 2X minus 5 plus 5, and I multiply 2X times X plus 3. How do we cross multiply when we have more than one term? What do we have to do? Ah, put the two terms in parentheses. So, I have X times 2X plus 5 set equal to 2X plus 1 times X plus 3. What do I do when I'm multiplying one term times two terms? What do you do? Ah, no. One term times two terms, you can just distribute. So, what is X times 2X? 2x squared. And what's x times 5? 5x. Now we multiply 2 terms times 2 terms. What do we have to do here? Now we do the box method. So in our box, what goes up top? 2x times, what goes next to the 2x? Plus 1. And then what goes on the side?
X plus 3.
Good. So, what is 2x times x?
2x squared.
And then what's 2x times 3?
6x.
And x times 1. And 3 times 1. So, I noticed last class that I lost some people here. You guys may be used to just writing this out, right? You might be used to doing 2x plus 6x plus x plus 3. However, what do you then need to do? Combine the 6x and the x. And you get this, right? Well, what I do is I just combine like terms in the box. What is 6x plus x? What is it? 7x. So instead of just rewriting all of that, I combine before I even write it down. So 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. If you need to write this out like I did, go ahead. Don't feel ashamed. Just know that it's more work than you need to do. Okay. So now what do we do to solve? Subtract what? Good. And those cancel out. And I bring down the 5x and the 7x and the 3. And now what? Good. Whoa. And then by. Perfect. And x is you could either do negative 3 over 2 or negative 1.5. Means the same exact thing. Any questions here?